Hey, what's good YouTube? Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can freeze frame in CapCut. So first thing you want to make sure is that you have your clip ready to go. Now drag your clip right here and then play your clip. Now pause where you want to freeze the clip and then click on this button to freeze the clip. Now CapCut has made a frozen clip of 3 seconds right here. What this will do is it will play your normal video, then it will insert a frozen clip right here, and then it will go back to being normal again. So let's say you want to freeze it for more than 3 seconds, right? What you want to do is click on all three buttons. If these are all turned on, you want to turn them off, and now you want to drag your ending right here and then drag it all the way to the end like this. And that was how you guys could freeze a frame in CapCut. So if this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help.